Welcome back. In this video, I will talk about the most powerful rugged smartphone Oukitel Wp19 Pro of 2023 with IP68, IP69K and military standard 810H certified. WP19 Pro comes with a leading industrial toughness rate. It can stand up to any extreme environment. The WP19 Pro is powered by a 22,000 mAh massive battery that can support use for a week. The WP19 Pro features 33-watt fast charging capability, allowing you to refuel your device to 80% charge in just 3 hours. It has 12GB RAM plus up to 24GB RAM expansion and either 256GB of expandable ROM, which is built for a smooth operation of different applications, particularly the gaming. In the hardware department, the Oukitel Wp19 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 processor and offers an extraordinary experience from its high performance in AI gaming and connectivity, smooth video viewing, rapid upload and download, premium gaming without lag. Coming to the main camera bump, the WP19 Pro offers you a wealth of opportunities to create your masterpiece photos with the 3 lenses. The main camera sensor is 64 megapixel wide, 20 megapixel night vision sensor and 2 megapixel macro sensor with 4K HDR video recording, and also 16 megapixel front camera for better selfies. Let's talk about display. Oukitel WP19 Pro gets a 6.8-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display with 120Hz refresh rate. Oukitel WP19 Pro runs on the latest Android 13, more dynamic and personal system for a safer and better customized experience from colors to shapes. This phone has a sided fingerprint scanner and also Face ID support. Also, this phone has NFC and OTG support. You can buy this larger battery rugged Oukitel WP19 Pro smartphone on AliExpress. Check the link on the description below. Thanks for watching.